Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how you can disable or enable the transport protocol that the ICA connection uses. So by default, at least in the latest versions, UDP is used for all ICA sessions, and you can also switch it to TCP. There is only one setting that you need to change via policy. So let's see the policy. So I've created a separated policy that only has this option enabled. So if you go to settings, we can see that HDX adaptive transport is off, and the preferred the default is enabled. So it doesn't say enabled, but it's preferred. You can read all the details in this part. And in some cases you will need to configure the ICA connections to be done through TCP or through UDP. That depends on what special request you have. So this is the policy that you need to enable or disable if you want to switch between them. And for testing, I assigned it to a delivery group, so to my MCS delivery group. Let's also do a test. Let's connect to our environment. So user 1 is a member of that has access to this MCS group. I will start the session, and I will also open a separate storefront, and I will connect to the other machine where that policy is not enabled. And I need to use user 03. I know user 03 has the PVS. Yeah. Okay. So the first desktop already started. And to check what kind of protocol we are currently using, we need to open command prompt as an admin and just type a simple command that is citrix session.exe-v. Okay, 1 second. So once again, here on the MCS, I should have TCP as the protocol. And that is also the case. So TCP, and on the other one, on the PVS, here where I did not assign that policy, I should have UDP. So CMD. Again, as administrator, the PVS is a little bit slower, but I will make it work, hopefully. Okay, and here, as you can see on the delivery group where I did not apply that policy, we have UDP. So this was it for this video. Just an additional hint. So by default, UDP will be used through all the sessions only if you do not change it manually. And you can also use this command if you have issues in your environment and you have users that complain about slow performance. This is a great command to check here the bandwidth that the user has in his session. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video. See you in the next videos.